right when I turned my back. One is shooting up. Ooh, I hope I got that. Wow. I've just been kind of turning my camera left and right. As you can tell from that, it is raining. And we have a thunderstorm. Apparently there's a hurricane, as you saw from the watching clouds. This is what happened right afterwards. I've just been holding my camera around trying to see where good lightning strikes would strike at. Ooh, I got that on film. Holy crap. Ooh, over there too. I hope I got that. I'm waiting for the thunder. Ooh, one over there. That's nice. It's like the song, if you've ever heard the song Thunder, that's what we'll be jamming to for the rest of the night.